So today I'm going to be covering bridge placement on the guitar, as well as making sure that it is perfectly aligned for proper intonation at the end of your build. So starting out, you have to make sure that you know the scale length of your neck. This is a 25.5-inch scale length. If you don't know it, the easiest way to go about knowing what your scale length is you're going to take your straight edge ruler. We're going to measure from the top of the nut down to the end of the 12th fret. So we're looking at 12 and a 24th of an inch. If you double that, 25.5. But the way we're going to go about putting our bridge placement is we're going to take it from the bottom of the 12th fret, and then where you're going to go right at the 12 and 24th mark, and then you're going to draw your line. So as you can see, I've already placed all of my marks for the bridge for this guitar. But just for example, boom. So we have the general distance that we're looking for the bridge, and then we're going to measure out where the neck is going to be lining up on the body. So for that, take a ruler and just go right up against the neck. Once you have it right up against there, which you can also use any kind of straight edge for this process, put it right there. Just trace down the line, and we'll get the other side as well. Just like that. And then we, of course, have our center line right in the middle. So when it comes to the bridge placement, we have our line where we want our saddles to lay at, as well as where the neck profile is going to be landing. So we're going to take our bridge, line it right on that center line, and we're going to make sure that the tops of our saddles, where the string kind of takes off, is right on that line that we marked out. It's right about there. So from here, you can see from these two lines where the strings are going to be coming off the saddles and if they're within there. If they're coming too far out, you might want to look at getting a different bridge with some larger string placement, so that way it can kind of accommodate for the neck profile. But for this one, this bridge is perfect. So now that we have it lined up, we're just going to put our little dots for screwing it in. Boom. And then from there, you're good to drill some pilot holes in to start your initial drills. Throw her down, and you drill her in. And that is how you measure out your bridge placement on your guitar build. So pretty simple, but very useful information.